That's very easy for you to remember.
Mine is #tell at thy will be done.
How about you? What's your email? Yes, your email. Don't worry, I won't email you.
Ay, ba't mo tinanong? Bakit po tinanong?
You could whisper it to me for privacy. It's
Danny Boy.
Danny Boy. First, Danny Boy. Danny Boy. It's double D-A-N-N-Y. No space. Oh, Danny Boy NYC. No space. One word. Two syllables.
Nalito mo sa lalo.
Danny Boy NYC. All small letters. MSN. Oh, not Yahoo. You don't like Yahoo? You should try Yehey. Yehey. Yeeha. Tigilig-tigilig. Thank you, Joy. Salamat Oo. Huwag siya mapabayaan. What time is your flight tomorrow?
11 o'clock.
11 a.m.?
And you sure there's enough left for your terminal fee?
Yeah, you need terminal fee like 750. So, would you like to get to 50?
No, because we can actually call the general manager of the IA so that, you know, you will have hassle-free check-in. Because we're buddies with the general manager.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, no kidding. So I look like I'm joking.
So, you're flying northwest? Cathay.
Oh, why Cathay? They don't have very good food. Why don't you try the WAG Air?
Wala namang ano doon. Oo.
Best Air. More free desktop.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. One more kiss, baby, before you leave.